ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम्
अल्पाक्षरं
असन्दिग्धम्
संयुक्तम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतो
विश्वतो
मुखम्
मुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम्
अस्तोभम्
अनवद्यं च
अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रं
सूत्रं
सूत्रविदो
सूत्रविदो
विदुः।
विदुः।
The last question, you please answer. What are these Sarvanamasthana Pratyas for Pullinga and Strilinga?
सुट्
सुट्
Sut. Sut means
1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2
1 2 2
Suvaja Samod, right? For Napumsakalinga,
just and just 1 3 2 3
yes and shas.
just
These Pratyas for Napumsakalinga and Sut Pratyas for Pullinga and Strilinga enjoys the Sanya Sarvanamasthana, right? Sarvanamasthana Sanya. I give some background regard to this. See, Sarvanamasthana is a Sanya, like Guna, Vriddhi, these are Sanyas, Samhita, Sanya. Similarly, Sarvanamasthana is also Sanya, but it is a Sanya given to the Pratyas. In fact, the Sanya is given to the Pratyas. It is to the Pullinga and Strilinga directly. Napumsakalinga, it is given indirectly. In fact, starts with like that. Let me explain what it is. Panini Maharishi has defined like this. She, Sarvanamasthana. This is the sutra. She, Sarvanamasthana. The Sanya. She, Sarvanamasthana. What is she? She is not a pratyaya. Please note. She is not a pratyaya. She means it's Shakara plus E. So, Shashashi, the she. which has a sanya sarvanamasthana. That's all. She is sarvanamasthana. Sutra for you. Suppose if anyone has 1142. Now she, the letter, the word, the letter. It is called Shakara plus E, combination of two letters, Shakara plus E, which is she. She is called Sarvanamasthana. That's all. Okay. There you can consider here the Shakara is an it letter. Like Sarvadhataka Mandal we do. Shakara is it, Sarvadhatakam Pitta Mandal, right? Shakara is it letter, then it's called Sarvadhatakam Madhadhatakam. In the Tinganta context, we are saying, right? Shit pratyaya, kit pratyaya. Similarly, Shakara is it, you can consider, no problem. But it is here we are not talking about Sarvadhatakam Ardhadhatakam. Don't bring that Sarvadhataka Ardhadhataka Sanya. Why? We are dealing with
Sugandha.
Sugandha, not Tinganta. Only when Tinganta is there, then only we can talk about Sarvadhataka Ardhadhataka. Those Sanyas, Sarvadhataka Ardhadhataka Sanyas, applicable for only for the pratyas which are added to dhatus. Therefore, Tingantam in that context. Tingantam, Kudantam. Here it is not. But Shakara is the letter. What is the content? Shakara is the letter.
E.
Content is E. So E is the content is E. But E is not Sarvanamasthana. She is Sarvanamasthana with the letter. Okay. Is it clear? Now, she Sarvanamasthana means you have to say it is content is E. It's a Sarvanamasthana. Right? Now, having said this, there's a sutram where Pani Maharshi says, just where Pani Maharshi just and shas. Sorry, I muted somebody. Professor, you can unmute. I think I mistakenly muted you. Wanted to mute Girjaji, I muted you.
It's okay.
You joined with the noise, that's why I muted them. Just and shas. Just and shas of Napumsakalinga replaced by E. I'm giving the background of why for Napumsakalinga 1, 3 and 2, 3 is Sarvanamasthana. Just and shas of Napumsakalinga replaced by E. She is Sarvanamasthana. The she which replaces just of Napumsakalinga, what is just 1, 3? And shas is 2, 3. If she is Sarvanamasthana, the she replaces just. She replaces just. Then what will be 1, 3 and 2, 3?
E.
E.
Sarvanamasthana, right? That is why we can just and shasa Sarvanamasthana. Understand? She is Sarvanamasthana. She replaces just and shas.
Okay.
Just is 1, 3. So, yes, 1, 3. Shas is 2, 3. Pani Maharshi says replace both by E. It means just will be replaced by E, which is 1, 3. And shas is 2, 3. That is also replaced by E. Therefore, 2, 3. And content is
E.
E.
Content is C. Understand? So therefore, only 1, 3 and 2, 3 are called Sarvanamasthana. Is it clear? Why we call 1, 3 and 2, 3 as Sarvanamasthana? Because of this only. If doubts are there, please ask.
By what rule we are replacing a she?
By what rule you are replacing? If you say the rule, you will not understand. That's why I'm not saying. Just know that there is a rule. There's a sutra.
Okay.
The Napumsakalinga, just and shas are to be replaced by she. Just Ashoko she. Leave that, not required. But this much you understand that just and shas of Napumsakalinga are replaced by she. She is already given a sanya, Sarvanamastana, and replaced and put it that in the place of just and shas. Therefore, just will be called Sarvanamastana. That is, whose content is now, it is replaced by she, therefore it is evenly. And shas replaced by she. Therefore, Sarvanamastana Pratyaya. Therefore only we say just and shas are Sarvanamastana. And of course, 8-3 also is same as 1-3 for Napumsakalinga. Therefore, we say just and shas as Sarvanamastana Pratyaya. This is the reason why we call 1-3, 2-3 as well as 8-3 the Sambodhana Napumsakalinga Bhagavachanam as Sarvanamastana Pratyaya is because she, which has a Sarvanamastana Sanya, replaces chas and shas. That is why Napumsakalinga 1-3, 2-3, 8-3 enjoys Sanya Sarvanamastana, and whose content is E. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Guruji.
It is simple. Some means I want to assign that Sarvanamastana, this is how it is done. Then what about for Pullinga and Srilinga? The question will come.
Mm.
We see now. Okay, because he asked, I will write the sutram also. Just Shasoho Shihi. This is a sutra. This is for Napumsakalinga. But understand, this is what Napumsakat. Napumsakat. This is a rule. Napumsakat, just Shasoho Shihi. That's a sutra. That's a rule. For Napumsakat means for Napumsaka Pratipadikam. For Napumsaka Pratipadikam, following the just and just following the Napumsaka Pratipadikam, here just Shasoho, what vibhakti is that? What vibhakti?
It is Stani, so
This is-
Shashti.
I have told you,
Shashti.
just and shas are replaced by she.
Replaced by
Therefore, they have to be stani.
Stani.
What is the content of just Shoho? What vibhakti is this?
Shashti.
Shashti Vibhakti.
What vachanam?
Dvivach.
Dvivachanam.
Dvivachanam.
Like what shabda? Like Marut shabda.
Yeah.
Panchabda.
What is Marut? Shashti vibhakti with
Maruto.
Dvivachanam. Marutoho.
Marutoho.
Therefore, what would be the pratipadikam of just Shasoho? Just Shas. That's a pratipadikam.
Shas.
Jash.
Just Shas.
This is.
If you decline like Marut, then Shashti vibhakti Dvivachanam will be just Shasoho, right? Just Shasoho. Here it is Sandhi has happened. It is just plus Shas. If you do Sandhi, what will happen? Sakara in contact with Shakara. So this Sakara will be replaced by Shakara. Therefore,
Shakar.
just
Okay.
Shas.
Shas.
Two things are there. Sandhi has happened. Because of Sandhi, the Pratipadikam is just Shas. Tayoho, just Shasoho. It is Sashti Bhakti Dvivachanam. Understand? Is it clear? All these are background. Okay. If you understand, it's enough. Or you can write it, note it. I'm going to delete this. It's not required. Just explaining the background so that you understand what it is. So this is a rule. Napumsakat. Napumsakat, what vibhakti?
Panchami.
Panchami. Therefore, if you take Napumsaka, Pala Shabda, if you take Pala plus just
Yes.
Napumsakat, here Pala is Napumsakat. Napumsakat, just Pratyasya Stane, Kasya Adeshaha, Kaha Adeshaha Bhavati,
She.
she will come.
She.
Just is Taranamastana, not here now, not Taranamastana. Just is just a Pratyaya, which is replaced by she. She is Taranamastana. Therefore, we can call 1-3 as Taranamastana. That is how we call 1-3. Loosely, we call just as Taranamastana. Really speaking, it is not just, it is actually she. She is a Taranamastana. Because it replaces just, we loosely call just and shas as Taranamastana. Okay, this is the background. Understand?
Okay.
Nothing wrong saying just and shas is Taranamastana. Because we have the understanding that she is Taranamastana, which replaces just and shas. Therefore, just and shas are Taranamastana for Napumsakalinga. Nothing wrong in saying that. with the understanding, with the background understanding, we say that. That is why in the beginning itself I defined she Saranamastanam Sasanya. Then the next, by the next rule, Napumsaka Jasashoho Shiki, by that, it says just and shas of Napumsaka. Napumsaka means following the Napumsaka Pratipadikam, replaced by she. So, therefore, only what happens here? This is Saranamastana Pratyaya.
Replaced by E.
E.
After that, what happens? You may not understand now, but I'm just telling you. Okay, see, what happens is
E.
Pala plus E. Okay, content is E only. Already I told you,
Hmm.
she is, content is E. And Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows. Therefore, what will happen? This you don't know, don't worry about it. It will get a Nummagama. And after that, getting Nummagama, the Upada Dirgatvam, that already we have seen. Upada Dirgatvam happens. Therefore, Palan plus E, then therefore you get only Palani. Palam Pale Palani. How do you get?
Hmm.
By this only. This is how we get Palam Pale Palani. Don't ask the rules how it comes, it is out of scope. Otherwise, the topic will go somewhere. I have to teach that. That is, we will see later. But you understand this is how it comes. A simple example I can give you. Simple example. That is one example I give like Palashabda. Then when we see some this. I'll give example later. I will explain this Patitavat example itself. I'll tell you, and that time you will see what is the use of this. At that time you will see Patitavat example. We are going to see for Napumsakalinga. There we will see the example. Similarly for just Shas also. Similarly for Pala plus Shas. Shas is replaced by she. She is Saranamasthanam. Therefore, Pala plus E. When Saranamastana Pratyaya follows, you get Nummagama for the Pratipadikam, Akaranta Napumsakalinga Pratipadikam. Then Upada Dirghatam happens, Palan plus E. Therefore, you get Palani. This is how we get Palani. Is it clear? Right?
Yes, Guru. Yes.
Now,
Yes, dear.
for Pullinga and Shrilinga, we have not said. For that, you see, Suda Napumsakasya, Suda Napumsakasya 1143, and Sarvanamasthana coming as Anuvritti. Sarvanamasthana. Sarvanamasthana. Suda Napumsakasya. I've told you what is this. You know it. You have to tell what it is now. For Pullinga and Shrilinga, Sut will be Sarvanamasthana. That is what this that is what the Sutram says. How does it say? You explain. See the number. This is 1142. She Sarvanamasthana. And the word Sarvanamasthana comes as Anuvritti, is brought down. After the successive sutra, which is 42, 1142, 1143. Okay, that's why Sarvanamasthana within bracket I have written. It flows as Anuvritti for the next sutra. What 43rd sutra? Sudanapumsakasya. What is Sudanapumsakasya? You know it. Already I told you. Not a sutra. That is Sarvanamasthana for Pullinga and Srilinga. What is that?
Sut.
Yeah, split this. Split the sutra, you understand? Split it. Sut and
Sut.
then this sud. Okay. Then what? Splitting the sutra is Sandhi Vicheda. Splitting the Sandhi. Do the Sandhi Vichedana.
Napums.
Ana.
Huh? Sud plus what is it? Kosala, you said Napumsakasya. Anapumsakasya.
Adam.
Simple.
Oh,
Anapumsakasya. Sud plus Anapumsakasya. Dakara plus A is da. See, again the same thing. Melanam should not, we're not supposed to, what do you call, forget. This is just a melanam, right? Simple thing. A plus, see, Dakara plus A, ka, kaka ki ki. Datta, diddi. Same. What is the difficulty in that? Dakara plus a is da. Dakara plus a is da. It's a simple Melana. No sandhi here. I have not done anything here. Sandhi I am going to do now. Sud plus anapumsakasya. Sud anapumsakasya. Now, sud. Now you do the sandhi vicheda. In place of the sud, there is no pratyaya called sud. So something must be there. We are talking about the pratyaya here. Something must be there in the pratyaya, a pratyahara denoting the group of pratyas. And in the pratyahara, the last letter is dakara. Is there any pratyahara ending with dakara? Mageshwara Sutra, please see. Any sutra with the letter dakara is there? In the Mageshwara Sutra, Ayuvan, Bruluk, Evom, Ayoch, Ayavarat. Any sutra with the dakara as a ith letter is there? Can you form a pratyahara with the dakara as a ith letter? No.
No.
Then sud is there. Sud referring to a pratyaya, group of the pratyaya. It's a pratyahara, in fact, pratyahara. So what could be that dakara then? Guess, not guessing. You can. What could be that letter? Dakara.
It should be some
Dakara.
adesha.
It should be.
Some adesha.
No. What is that? Kaushalya, you said?
Takara.
It must be takara. Sud.
Takara.
It must be, of course, not connected with the Mageshwara Sutra. We are talking about the, sorry, just show the example for Sud. So, Mageshwara Sutra, it is not, but here you see, it is there. That Sud is not, we are talking about the Pratyas, Supratyas. So, it has nothing to do with Mageshwara Sutra. Sorry, by mistake, I showed that. See the Supratyas. Here, from Mageshwara Sutra, I showed just to show you the sutra from which the pratyaharas are formed. Similarly, we form pratyaharas here also. We know because sup means supratyas starting from su up to pakara, which shows the collection of the pratyas, which is a pratyahara. Sup means to just tabhyam is the collection of pratyas are represented by the pratyahara sup. And pratyaharas are formed like as we formed in the Mageshwara Sutra. That is why I showed the example, Mageshwara Sutra. Now here, sud. It means the last letter must be a dakara. Here no pratyas ending with dakara is seen. So what could be that? It has to be dakara. So what sandhi is that?
Yashva
Yashva sandhi. We are doing sandhi vicheda. So going reverse sandhi, going backwards. So it is sandhi vicheda. Therefore it must be sud. Sud anapumsakasya. Anapum means what? Not an apumsaka. If it's not an apumsaka, then what should linga it should be? Pullinga and Srilinga.
Pullinga or Srilinga.
So for Pullinga and Srilinga, sut will be Sarvanamasthana. That is a sutra. Understand? Sudanapumsakasya means anapumsakasya, negative. Except for the napumsaka, only 3 lingas are there. Napumsaka not there. It means what are the other lingas? Pullinga and Srilinga. For Pullinga and Srilinga, sut will be Sarvanamasthana. What is sut? Sut is not the Mageshwara Sutra. Sut is the Sisvanta Pratyaya from which we form the Pratyahara, like we form from the Mageshwara Sutra. Su, au, su, au, just, out. Here only takara is there. You have to stop here because there are no other pratyas where you see the ending letter takara. So su, au, just, out. That is what sud. Sud. Sud because of Jashva Sandhi. Sud after Sandhi Vichedanam. So sud for Anapumsakasya, for Pullingasya, tata Srilingasya, ka sanya bhavati, Sarvanamasthana sanya bhavati. This is the background. Understand? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Guruji.
I summarize here. You can see she Sarvanamasthana is general sanya. She is given a name. she is given a name. She is called Sarvanamastana. And we say further, Sudanapumsakasya. For Napumsaka, for other than Napumsaka, that is for Pullinga and Srilinga, Sut will be called Sarvanamastanam. So, and how do you say for Napumsakalinga 1, 3 and 2, 3? Because there is another rule which says just Shasoho Sihi, where for Napumsakalinganga 1, 3 and 2, 3 is ordained Shi Adesha and She is Sarvanamastana. Therefore, 1, 3 and 2, 3 are Sarvanamastana Pratyas for Napumsakalinga. Whereas for Pullinga and Srilinga, Sudanapumsakasya, Anapumsakasya, which says Sut is the Sarvanama Sthana Sanya. This is what we get. So, if you understand these three rules together, then you know why we call Sut for Pullinga and Srilinga and Jas and Shas for Napumsakalinga as Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya. The Sarvanama Sthana Sanya is very important. Sarvanama Sthana Sanya is important. The Nanja of that also is very important. Asarvanavasthana also is important. You know why it is. Because of that only, Anga is ordained Sanya, Padam or, right? Vasanya, Padasanya. You know it. We have done. Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
She Sarvanamasthanam. Okay, you can repeat. She Sarvanamasthanam. You have to tell them only it will stay in the mind. You can say.
Sarvanamasthanam.
She is called Sarvanamasthanam. Just Shasoho Shiki.
Just
Sasoho Shihi.
That is for Napumsaka. Napumsakat Angat Uttarasya Jash Pratyasya Tata Shas Pratyasya Sthane Shi Adeshara Bhavati. Shi Ityasya Sarvanamastana Sanyakatvat Jash Shasoho Api Sarvanamastana Jash Shasoho Api Sarvanamastana Sanyakau Bhavataha. What about for Pullinga Srilinga? Sudanapum Sakasya, please stand.
Sudanapumsakasya.
Sakasya.
Anapumsakasya ityukte Pullinge tata Srilinge Vishaye Sut Pratyayana Sarvanamastana Sanasanya Bhavati. Understand? Simple. This is what it is. Combining these three sutras only, we say two aujas out for Pullinga and Srilinga and just and shas for Napumsakalinga or Sarvanamastana. So background I have told you. Is it clear, no?
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Ji.
Even if it is not clear, even if you understand Sut and 1, 3 and 2, 3, it's okay. That will do. This is something more. Fine. Without Sutram, we have not studied Sutram. But if you follow this, that's a very big thing. Okay. I appreciate if you follow this. So now, this Sarvanamastana Sanya is very important. It's as much, it is, Sanya is important and its Nanja also is important. Sarvanamastana. You know what happens for last class we saw for Ukitanta Pradipadikam. Generally, we refer to a word by its ith letter. But Ukit it's a pratyahara. So any shabda, or any shabda on here, we are talking about shabda. Any shabda having uk letter. Uk letter means either ukara, rikara, or likara. As ith letter. Then that shabda is called Ugit.
Okay.
That shabda is called Ugit or that pratyaya. Pratyaya also can be called Ugit. In fact, it is not a okay. Shabda also can be called, but here it is a pratyaya. In fact, shabda itself is formed because of the pratyaya only, right? Say for example, Kridanta word, if you take, Kridanta is formed from a dhatu by the addition of pratyaya. By the addition, like Patitavat. Patitavat is what? It's a shabda. Patitavat is a shabda. It is derived from the dhatu pat. Pat dhatu only has become Patitavat. And what pratyaya is added? Tavatu pratyaya. So it Ugit is, therefore, since pratyaya is at the end of the shabda, and Ukit, when we say, it is referring to the really to the pratyaya, right? It is the patitavatu. The shabda is patitavatu. Who is it letter? Why who is it letter? Because in the pratyaya, who is it letter? Therefore, it is ukitanta pratipadikam, we say. Because the pratyaya is ukit. Therefore, shabda is also ukit. Ukitanta pratipadikam. Understand? So, we say ukitanta pratipadikam. But it is become ukitanta pratipadikam because the pratyaya is ukit. Therefore, there are many ukit pratyas. Tavatu, one example. Davatu is there, Matup is there, all these are ukit pratyas, and therefore the pratipadikam becomes ukitanta pratipadikam. Ukitanta pratipadikam. For that, the examples, the ukitanta pratipadikams are derived by the addition of pratyas like tavatu or davatu or matup or vatup. All these are some examples. Okay. All these are ukitanta pratipadikam. Now, what is the significance of ukitanta pratipadikam? With Sarvanamastana, there is a connection. When a Vugitanta Pradipadikam is followed by a Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, then the Pratipadikam gets Numagama. That is a significance. Pratipadikam gets Numagama. That's a rule. Ugitajam Sarvanamastane. Ugitajam Sarvanamastane. Ugitajam Sarvanamastane. Adato is it's okay. Ugitajam Sarvanamastane, you know it. That's enough. 7170. I don't expect you to remember the sutras and all. Just know the meaning of what I'm saying. That itself is it's enough. Ugitajam Saranamastane. Athato, accepting dhatu. That part, don't worry about it. You don't need that. 7170. So here Ugitajam, here Ugit one part only is important. Ugitanta Pratipadikebhyaha Uttarasya Sarvanamastane Ugitanta Pratipadikasya. Ugitanta Pratipadikasya Sarvanamastane Pratyaya Pare Num Agamaha Bhavati. Will get Num Agama. So therefore, the Patitavat, which is derived from Patadhatu by the addition of Tavatu Pratyaya, you get Patitavatu. It is now Ugitanta Pratipadikam. And when you say the Pratipadikam, we have to refer to the Pratipadikam as Takaranta Pratipadikam. Even though U is ithalater, even though U is at the end, which is an ithalater, that Ugitvam is required for ordaining Numagama. But the Pratipadikam, when you decline, we say Takaranta Pratipadikam. That which is there, that only we have to refer to. U is there, but it's an ithalater. It is ithalater that should not be considered. We know ithalater is a packing letter. So the actual letter is Takaranta. So Takarantaha, Pullingaha, Shailingaha, Napumsakalinga, we say. We should not say Ukaranta. Then Ukaranta means it becomes like Guru Shabda. It's not like Guru Shabda, it's Halanta Shabda. But that Ugitvam, that Itta letter, the Ukara as Itta letter being there, that has got significance. What significance it is? When the Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, it brings in Numagama. Therefore, Patitavatu plus Su in Pullinga. In Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga and all, it brings Numagama. Okay. Ugitanta Pradipadikam. No, this Ugitanta, leave it. We'll see that little later. Tavatu Pratyaya. I just said Ugitanta Pradipadikam. You know, in Sanskritam, we have something called Shatranta Pradipadikam. That is simple. Just explain that also. That will come in the Pravesha lessons later. Shatru. Shatru is not Shatru. Shatru. Ru is ithalater. It's a present participle. Content is at only. This is again a Kridanta. This is a Krit Pratyaya. Krit Pratyaya, therefore, it is added to what?
Dhatu.
Dhatu. Dhatu, it is Krit Pratyayas are added to Dhatu. Therefore, it becomes Kridanta. When you say Kridanta means you have to know it is all derived from the dhatu. Kridanta.
Okay.
So you take Pat dhatu, Pat plus Shatru. Content of Shatru is At. It is Rikara is it letter. Re is Ugit or not? Rikara. Ugit.
Yes.
Therefore, it is Pat plus Shatru will be a Ugitanta Pradipadikam. Pat plus At. Pat plus At is equal to, you will have
Patat.
Patat. But
Patat.
here, one more thing is there. Shatru is what pratyaya? Shatru is added to dhatu. What pratyaya is
Krit
that?
pratyaya. Krit
Krit,
pratyaya.
krit.
Number one,
Krit.
krit pratyaya. Okay, already I told.
It is Ugidanta pratyaya. Ugidanta.
Ugidanta pratyaya,
Ugidanta.
krit pratyaya. What else? What else?
Ardha dhatu.
Is it ardhatukam? You have to tell me that. That's what I'm asking. Is it ardhatukam?
No, it is
No,
Sarvadhatu.
it's
It is sarvadhatukam. Shit
Sarvadhatukam.
sarvadhatukam. Shakara is it.
Yeah.
It's a shit pratyaya. Therefore, sarvadhatukam, right?
Sarvadhatu.
Mm.
When a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows a dhatu, what will happen? What will happen? Before Angakarya. Okay, Angakarya is supposed to happen, right?
Yeah, Ganavikarana pratyaya will come.
Exactly. That's very
Gana.
important. Yeah, that's understanding is very good. That's what I want to do. Ganavikarana will come. When a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows a dhatu, Ganavikarana will walk in. Like Patati, how we derived.
Yes.
Same thing. Pat plus
Shap.
tip. Tip is a
Mm.
sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Ganavikarana walks in. Pat dhatu belonging to which gana? First gana. Shap will come. Shap will walk in. Content of Shap is a. Shap cannot do any Angakarya because there is no Iganta or Pada. So Pat plus Shap is Pata. Pata plus At. Pata plus At will be, tell me what Sandhi is that? You know it. Pata plus At. Sandhi rule.
Pata.
Pararupa Sandhi.
Yes, exactly. What is the form? Pararupa Sandhi. What does it say, Pararupa Sandhi?
Appadanta akara followed by guna letter will take guna.
Very good. Patat. You get Patat. Where did we see this Sandhi? You have to recall. Pata plus Anti is equal to Patanti. Yeah?
Patanti.
Is it Patanti?
No, Patanti.
Did you Sarvana Dirgha? No. Padantakara followed by Guna letter. Then Purva Parayogastani Pararupaha Desha. Pararupa Sandhi. We have spent a lot of time in Sandhi. So you have to bring Pata plus Anti, Patanti, Patati, Patataha, Patanti. The same thing here also. Pat plus At is equal to Patat. Now Patat is a Pradipadikam. Patat is a Pradipadikam. Shatranta we are doing, which is a present participle. It's going to come, but in advance I'm doing, because we're talking about Sravanavasthana, I want to give some example. That's why I took this. In the process, you learn something new also. Patat. Patat is Takaranta Shabda. Patitavat also Takaranta Shabda. Patitavat is formed by Tavatu Pratyaya, which is past participle, which refers, the Kala is Bhuta Kala. Here Patan is present participle. So Takaranta Shabda. Both are Takaranta Shabda, but with a difference. I want to show you that difference. Takarantaha. Let us see this now. Let us do define Pullingaha. Takarantaha, Pullingaha, Patat. Patat is a Pradipadikam. Kridanta Pradipadikam. Patat Shabdaha. Now, Patat is a Vugit or not? Is it Vugitanta Pradipadikam or not? Yes. Shatru is there. Vugitanta Pradipadikam. Followed by Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. What will happen? Rule I told already. Vugitanta Pradipadikam.
Pradipadikam will take Numagama.
When Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, Numagama will come. Numagama come, where it will come? It will come after the
after the last
H. Here, where's the H? Last H. Patat. After Ta, I is there.
Yes.
There it will come. So, Patant plus Su. And this Su, you know, it is a Ekal Pratyaya, right? Tasya?
लोपः भवति
लोपः भवति लोपं कृत्वा you have पठन् now what is this
पठन्
पठन् this
Padam.
padam very good now
पदं
padam padasya ante किमस्ति
कञ्जङ्क्टिव् संयोगान्तस्य पदं
very good संयोगान्तस्य लोपः therefore takara will go away right you have patan that's what
Patan.
it said patan ramah rama who is reading patan patantau patantah I think I told you the shatrant also before this present participle it's going to come in the lesson we'll see that patan is present participle see you want to say the rama while okay I'll read it. While reading Rama watches TV television how do you translate while reading translate into sanskritam not a difficult vakyam right
पठन् राम
that start with the kriya padam
ईक्षति ईक्षति
pashyati ikshati ikshate if you're doing then you have to say atmanipadi ikshate taha ikshate
रामः
रामः ईक्षते
kim ikshate
ईक्षते
दूरदर्शन television is
दूरदर्शन
something simple ramah doordarshanam ikshate what is he doing
reading while reading
what kind of rama what type of rama reading rama
पठन्
patan ramah
दूरदर्शन
so patan ramah is patan qualifies rama patan what vibhakti prathama vibhakti that's why I derived patan plus 2 right so patan ramah is reading rama it means rama while reading what is the meaning rama while reading what does it do he watches tv patan ramah watched tv suppose if it is that also same thing patan ramah doordarshanam apashyata he saw you understand this is what patan is present participle it is there in gita where it is no in gita shloka is full of this where it is it anybody recently also we saw pashyan shunvan spashan jigran ashtan gachan shvapan shvasan pralapan visrajan grinhan unmishan nivishan api इन्द्रियानिन्द्रियार्थेषु वर्तन्त इति धारयन् कुत्र अस्ति कस्मिन् अध्याये
fifth chapter
chapter नैव किञ्चित् करोमीति युक्तो मन्येत तत्त्ववित् पश्यन् पश्यन् means while reading sorry by seeing शृण्वन् while listening स्पृशन् while touching all the actions I don't do anything नैव किञ्चित् करोमीति recently Gita also is seen. This is a Shatranta. All are Shatranta. The shloka is full of Shatranta. Patan Ramaha. Similarly, Gachan Ramaha. Gachan Ramaha Gayati. Going Rama sings. Rama while going, while walking, he sings. This is what Shatranta is. You understand? This is Shatranta. Anyway, Shatranta is not a topic. I'm just saying to give you the example of patan. What will happen? Pachat Shabda. Cook. Cook. It will be Pachan.
पचन्
Similarly, Dhatu is Gachat. Gachat is the Gam is the Dhatu. You have to add Shatranta Pratyaya. See how it comes. Shatra is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. So Gam plus Shap plus Shatra is content is At. So Gam plus I is Gama. Gama plus it's not Gama. Gam will be replaced by Gach. You know that. And followed by Shit Pratyaya, Gam will be replaced by Gach. Then Gacha plus At will be Gachat. So Gachat is the Pratipadikam. So Gachan. So Gachan, Gachantau, Gachantaha iti rupam. Now let me do the Dvitiya Vibhakti. You know, Gachan is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachan. Then Dvitiya Vibhakti. Gachat plus how. How is Sranamasthana? In Pullinga I am doing. So Gachat will get Numakama. Numakama will come after the last H. Therefore, Gachan. Join this. What do you have?
Gacchantau.
Chantau.
Gacchantau. Then Bhagavachanam. Gachat plus just. Content is us. It will be Gachantaha.
Daha.
Then Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachan. Gachat plus will be
Gachantam.
Gachantam. Then Gachat plus Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Out will be Gacchantau.
Gacchantau.
Then Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. What will be?
Achantaha.
No. This is not Sranamasthana Pratyaya.
No,
No
okay.
Numakama business. Gachat plus us will be Gacchataha.
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 So Gacchataha. That's how you get. Gachan, Gacchantau, Gachantaha. Gachantam, Gacchantau,
Gacchataha.
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 Tritiya Vibhakti. Converse same as Marut Shabda. Gacchata, Gacchadhyam, Gacchadbihi. I don't have to decline because we have seen Marut Shabda. Anyway, don't worry about this Shabda declension. We will do it again. I'll explain this again. And as Krudanta separately will do. But you have some idea now why this Numakama comes in Pullinga. All Sranamasthana Pratyaya you can see. Gachan, Gacchantau, Gachantaha, Gachantam, Gacchantau. Right? Similarly, Patan, Patantau, Patantaha, Patantam, Patantau, Patataha,
Patataha.
Pachan, Pachantau, Pachantaha, Pachantam, Pachantau.
Pachataha.
Gacchataha.
Now come back to Patitavati. Patitavati is something different to show that only. Patitavat. How do you decline? Patitavan.
Patitavantau. Patitavantaha.
Patitavantaha.
Here you see, it is Pratama Vibhakti itself is different. What do we have? Not Patitavan.
Patitavan.
Patitavan. What about here in Gachan? It is Gachan only, Pachan only, Patan only, not Patan, not Pachan. But here it is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Patitavan, Upada Dirgatvam happens. Patitavat, which is a same like Shatra Shabda with a Vugitanta Pradipadikam. Here it is Ukara is the fifth letter, right? But what happens here? This I explained the last class, so you have to remember last class. Patitavat plus Supratyaya, and this Pratyaya is Tavatu Pratyaya here, which is Vugitanta Pradipadikam, and the last letter of the letter is it is ending with at. Last bracket I write. It is at ending. It is, in fact, it is atu ending. Let me put it like that. Atu ending. It is atu. Atu means who is it letter. Tavatu. Ending with atu. Right? That is takara preceded by akara, and here who is it letter. Atu. Shatri is different. Shatri is, please note the difference. Shatri is, it is also ending with, the content itself is at, but this at is different from this at. Here atu, u, here it is r, atr. Both content is same. Atu content also only at, right? But it is atu. That is the purpose of ukara as it letter. Otherwise, why ukara as it letter in tavatu? Why rikara as it letter? Same could be given. Oh, Panini Maharishi had given different vowels as it letter for a purpose. You understand what I'm saying? Yes? No?
Yes, yes.
He has given in the case of Shatra rikara as it letter, saying that the declension will be patan, patantau, patantaha, patantam, patantau. It is just like that. Whereas in the case of This Ugitanta Pratipadikam, where the Ugit ending is Atu, there what will happen is when Sravanamasthana Pratyaya Su follows, which is Asambuddhi. You know what Asambuddhi is? I told in the last class.
Hmm.
Sambuddhi is 8-1. Na Sambuddhi,
Su-
Asambuddhi.
Su
Therefore,
Pratama
1-1.
Vibhakti.
When that follows, what happens for Atu ending Pratipadikam is Upada Dirgattum happens. That is why that U as Ita letter is given for some pratyas. All the U ending Atu ending Shabda will take Upada Dirgattum when the Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, Asambuddhi Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows. Understand? Connected to the last class. You have to remember the last class, then you understand.
Guruji, but Shatru is also Ugidanta, right?
One?
And
Shatru.
Shatru is also
Shatru.
Ugidanta.
Yes, Ugidanta, no doubt. Yes, Ugidanta only. But there the Ith letter is not U, it is Rikara. That is a distinction we are talking about. That makes a difference. That makes a difference. Because of that only for Patitavat Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, you have Upada Dirgatvam. That doesn't happen for Shatra ending. The Shatra ending Dirgatvam happens.
Only for U and the
Only for Atu ending. Better
Atu
remember
ending.
Atu.
Okay.
That is better.
Atu, okay,
Atu.
okay.
Because the content of Shatra is At and content of Tavatu is Tavat, ending with At only. But both are not same because of the It letters. Okay.
Okay.
So therefore, for Atu ending, what will happen is when Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana, the Asambuddhi Sranamasthana Pratyaya follows, Upada Dirgatvam happens. Therefore, Patitavat will become Patitavat, right? Patitavat, Upada Dirgatvam. And it is Vugit. That Vugit also required. Because it is Vugit, when Sranamasthana Pratyaya follows, what it will get? That is also important. That Numagamagam, Patitavant plus Su. So you compare with Shatru. That's why I gave that example. And this Su is Ekal Pratyaya, Tasya Lopaha Bhavati. Therefore, you will have Patitavant. And you know Patitavant is Padam, Padante, Sanyoga Asti. Takara will go away, you will have Patitavant. Compare with Shatru. Patitavat is past participle and it is Atu ending. It is present participle. It is Shatru. This is also Ugit. Because of Ugit, it gets Numbakama. But Upada Dirgatam happens no. Why? Because it is not Atu. It is Atru. In fact, it is R. R is the Rikara is the Ith letter. Therefore, there is no Upada Dirgatam. If Upada Dirgatam had happened, it would become Patan. That is not Ishta Rupam. That is not the desired form. Therefore, Patan, Patanto, Patantaha. Understand? To show the distinction only, I need to talk about Shatranta. Is it clear? Or going above your head? As I said, Shatranta, we will see later. Now, I'll give another example for this Atu ending. Like D. D is Pratipadikam. A Pratipadikam derived from another Pratipadikam by the addition of Tadita Pratyaya. Not Krut.
Okay, from Pratipadikam.
Pradantas are derived from a Dhatu. Taditantas are derived from Pratipadikam. Here, Matup is Pratipadikam. Matup is a Tadita Pratyaya added to a Pratipadikam. D is a Pratipadikam. Now, content of Matup, Akara is Ith letter. It is a U is also Ith letter. Content is Mat. Mat is ending with At. But it is what? Atu. Atu is there, right? It is Atu ending. That's why it's important. Atu. Ukara is Ith letter. So it is not like Shatru. Even though the last letter, last part is At, like Shatru, but it is Atu. Therefore, it is like Tavatu, not like Shatru. Therefore, what happens? D plus Mat. D Mat is a Pratipadikam. When you decline, D Mat plus Su. Upada Dirgatam happens. D Mat plus Su. Then, and Matu also Ugit and the Pratipadikam. It is Ugit. Therefore, Numagama will come. Dimant plus su.
Dimant.
Su is ekal pratyaya lopa bhavati. Dimant will be there. It's a pratipadika. It's a padam. Padanta sanyoga takarasya lopa bhavati. Therefore, dimant. So you get dimant. So patitavan. Divan. What about Dvivachanam in Patitavan? What about Dvivachanam in Dhiman? Let us see that. There you will see Upadardirgatam doesn't happen. Patitavat plus au if you do, it is Sranavasthana Pratyaya, but it is not Asambuddhi. I mean, it should be Asambuddhi meaning it should be Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Here Dvivachanam. Sranavasthana Pratyaya. Therefore, what will happen? Numagama will come, but Upadardirgatam will not happen. So Patitavant plus au, you will have Patitavantau. You will have Patitavantau. Similarly, here Dhiman also. Dhiman also, Dhimat plus au will become Dhimantau.
Mantau.
It is Dhimat. Dhimat plus au will become Dhimantau. Dhimant Numagama because it is a Ugit. Dhimant plus au will be Dhimantau. So in this Shabda you can see Upadardirgatam happening and Numagama coming for the Upadardirgatam for Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam and Numagama. Numagama is common for all the Sranavasthana Pratyayas. So Dhiman, Dhimantau, Dhimantaha. Dhimantam, Dhimantau,
Dhimatah.
no Numagama there because it is Asarvanavasthana Pratyaya, Dhimataha. Patitavan,
Patitavantau.
Dirgatam and Numagama. Patitavantau, no Dirgatam. Patitavantaha. Patitavantam, Patitavantau.
Patitavatah.
Whereas Shatranta, if you take Patan, Patantau, Patantaha. Patantam, Patantau, Patataha.
Patataha.
These Shabdas you compare, we understand. Simple. Is it clear?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
So what makes the difference? Now, today also it's a more information packed. Okay. Now let me ask question to check whether you understand what I said. Just some quickly in the form of question I'll ask. You can tell. What is Sranamasthanam? Just Sranamasthanam. Okay. What is Sarvanamasthanam? What is Sranamasthanam?
She.
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 She is has got a sanya Sarvanamasthanam. And that she, okay, how Napumsakalinga 1, 3 and 2, 3 gets a sanya Sranamastana?
By the rule.
You don't have to tell the rule, you can tell that's plain English. She is Sranamasthanam, already defined.
The just and shas will
Dashasu.
be replaced by she.
Yes, exactly. Just and shas replaced by she.
Mm.
All Napumsakalinga, just and shas will be replaced by she. She being Sranamasthanam, and since that she replaces 1, 3 and 2, 3, therefore Sranamastana sanya. Simple, right?
Hmm.
For Pullinga and Srilinga, Sudanapumsakasya, Anapumsakasya, not for the Napumsakalinga, except in Napumsakalinga, it means for Pullinga and Srilinga. Sut, what is Sut? Is a Pratyahara, referring to Su, Au, Just, Out. The Sudanapumsakasya, you have to see, you have to do the Sandhi Vicheda and see that Jasya Sandhi has happened here. You have to bring in your Sandhi knowledge here to understand it is Sut. Sut is a Pratyahara. Okay. Pratyahara formed from the Subanta, Supratyas, not from the Mageshwar Sutra. Okay. Sut. So Sut referring to the group of 5 Pratyas of the Linga other than Napumsakalinga. Other than Napumsakalinga, how many Lingas are there? Linga and Sri Linga.
Okay.
Therefore, only we say 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2 for Pullinga and Srilinga and Napumsakalinga 1, 3 and 2, 3. This is the reason. Now, next one. You know what is Ugit? What is a Ugit?
Ending in uk.
Uk letter as it letter. That is
It
called
letter.
Ugit. You need to understand the terms very clearly. Uk letter, Uk letter, Uk is a pratyahara. Uk letter, which is just we see how beautiful it is. You can see, referring to a group of letters by a pratyahara and making it as an it letter. Making it as an it letter. If the pratyahara shabda as that it letter, then we can refer to it by that pratyahara. Ugit, when we say uru, the three letters are covered. So any pratyahara pratipadikam having this any of the three letters as it, then we can call Ugit Anta Pratyaya, Ugit Anta Pratipadikam, right? That's what that is. Two things are that one is Pratyahara as well as that letters of the Pratyahara as a it letter. That is important. That it letter is very important. What letter is it? See, it letter is packing, I said. Packing is not mean, doesn't mean you just throw it. You throw it only. After usage, you throw it. But the packing is not same for all the products, right? If it is a glass, how do you pack it? Handle with care. If it is a glass thing, glass article, your packing should be different. If it is a wood, then packing is different. It's not same. Similarly, here also, the it letter as packing letter has got tremendous significance. So Tavatu when you say Ugit, Shatru when you say Ugit, no problem. All are Ugit. As Ugit, what happens when Stranamastana Pratyaya follows? Nummakama comes. That rule is common for all Ugitanta. Understand? That you have to remember. For Ugitanta Pratipadikam, Nummakama is ordained when Stranamastana Pratyaya follows. This rule is common. But there are some specific rules are there, like what we saw now. For the Atu ending among the Ugit, the Pratyaya among the Ugit, Atu ending. Atu ending means there are many Atu endings. That's why I give the example of Matu, Davatu, Vatu, Tavatu, etc. All these are Atu ending. They are all Ugit. And as well as Atu. It is different from Shatru. Shatru is different. It is Ru. This is Atu. U ending. Ukara as it letter. What happens when this Ugit Atu ending? Pratyaya. Atu is a U that is comes as under subset to Ugit only. But I say Atu specifically because when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, that is Asambuddhi Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, what will happen is just get Upada Dirgatvam.
Dirghatvam.
Upada Dirgatvam. Only for one. When Asambuddhi Sau, that's very important. When Asambuddhi Sau, that is Su Pratyaya Pare, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya Pare, with Atu ending Pratipadikam. Atu, when I say Tavatu, Davatu, all these Ugitanta Pratipadikams are included, that will undergo Dirgatvam. And because it is a Ugit, Nummakama comes. So here the sequence you have to do it properly. First you do the Upada Dirgatvam and then the ordaining Nummakama, which is a general rule. By that you get Patitavan for Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. For Dvitiya, for other Vachanams and all, Dirgatvam doesn't happen. Why? Because we said only when Asambuddhi Su Pare, when Asambuddhi Sarvanamasthane Pratyaya Pare Eva, Atu ending Pratipadikam will get Dirgatvam.
Dirghat.
So how follows it will not get, but it will get Nummakama. Why? Because Ugit. Understand? So Patitavan, Patitavanto, Patitavantaha, Patitavantam, Patitavanto, Patitavataha. There neither Upada Dirgatvam nor Num, because it is not Sarvanamasthana
Not
Pratyaya. Whereas for Shatru ending and all, what happens? It is Shatru, not a Atu. It is a Ugit. Therefore, when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, Kachan gets Nummakama, Patan gets just Nummakama. Only Nummakama comes. After that, very simple, you know what it is. Because it is Ugit, Nummakama, Patan plus Su, then the Sakara goes Ekal Pratyaya, Patan, Sayoganta Selopaha, you have Patan. Then Patan plus Au, Patanto, Patantaha, Patantam, Patanto, Patataha, then it is same as Madhut Shabda. So Shatranta is also done simple. For Napumsakalinga, what will happen? That I tell you. For Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, that is 1-3, I tell you. 1-3 alone, because we are interested in Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya only. Because if I tell everything will be heavily loaded, already we may be heavily loaded. Now, Jagat you take. I'm taking Jagat Shabda. Takarantaha, Napumsakalingaha,
Napumsakalingaha.
Jagat Shabdaha. I'm doing 1-3. Jagat plus Jas. Jas will be replaced by
She.
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 She is what?
E.
E. Content is E.
Content is E.
Content
She is what?
Sarvanamasthana.
Sarvanamastana.
When Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, what will happen? We say generally. For Jagat Shabda, I have not told you. We will see that later. Don't worry about that. You just know Nummagama will come. Okay. For Jagat Shabda, why it is, I'll tell you later. I also I can tell you. See, for Napumsakalinga, Jal Anta Shabda. What is Jal letter?
Except, all consonants except Yakara.
All consonant, not like that. Jal is what? 4, 3, 2, 1, and all the sibilants.
Oh, okay.
4, 3, 2, 1. It doesn't include
Right.
semi-vowels. It doesn't include fifth letter of the classes, right?
Mm.
So Takara is a Jal or not?
Yes.
Yes.
4, 3, 2, 1, I said, okay. Takara is the first letter, yes. When
Mhm.
Jalanta Pradivadikam is followed by Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, this is again another rule, okay? It will get Nummagama. So when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, so Nummagama where it will come? Jagant. Jagant plus E will become Jaganti. This is Napumsakalinga Rupa. Napumsakalinga, so many we can do it. Patitavat now you take. Patitavat Napumsakalinga, suppose if I do Patitavat plus Jas. Is it not a Jalanta?
Yes.
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 Patitavat, the Jas will be replaced by
She.
She. So
She.
Nummagama comes. So therefore form would be
Patitavanti.
Patitavanti. Patitavanti, don't think it is like a Tinganta. Patati, Patatha, Patanti. No. Patitavanti is Subantam. Please note. Okay, don't get confused. Patitavanti is Napumsakalinga. We are referring to Napumsakalinga. Suppose Vrikshani, I'm just saying, okay. Sorry, not Vriksha. Vriksha is Pullinga. Palani. Take the other word. Palani.
Mm.
Patitavanti. Means what? I'm using Patita. Patadhatu. Fruits
Fell.
fell.
Fruits fell.
Patitavanti is equal to Apatan. Palani Apatan, right? Fruits fell. Apatan is equal to Patitavanti. Kritanta I'm using. Patitavanti is the Subanta. Patitavanti, Subanta. Kritanta Pratipadikam, Patitavat, Napumsakalinga. Why? Because Palani, therefore Patitavanti. Suppose if it is Vriksha, I said Vriksha, the word used. Suppose if the trees are falling, then what do you say? Vrikshaha
Patanti.
apatan. But I don't want to use apatan. I want to use Kridanta. Then
Patitavantaha.
Patitavantaha, that's correct. Patitavantaha.
Patitavantaha.
Vrikshaha Patitavanta. Because Vriksha is Pullinga, therefore Pullinga form you have to use. Patitavan, Patitavanto, Patitavantaha. Suppose if it is Strilinga, Lataha, Apatan,
Patitavatyaha.
Patitavatyaha, exactly. Is equal to Patitavati, Patitavatyo, Nadi Shabdavat, Patitavatyaha. Understand? So in Pullinga it is Patitavanti. Napumsakalinga it is Patitavanti. How it comes, we have seen here. For Sarvanamasthana only. 1, 1, 1, 2, that we will see later. When we deal with Napumsakalinga, some more things to be explained, we will see that later. But see now, Palani Patitavanti. Patitavanti is not Tingantam. Please note. You may mistake it as Tinganta. It's not Kriyapada. It is Subanta, Namapada. Understand?
Mm.
This is just
Yes,
explained in the word file. It's all not documented. We'll see that later. I want you to understand the significance of the it letter in Shatru and in Tavatu, Davatu, Matu. Shatranta being a present participle, their declension is very simple. It's simplest. Patan patanto patantaha, no upada dirgatvam for Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. Whereas Tavatu, Davatu, etc., Matu, etc., upada dirgatvam happens for Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. The rules you know. Because it is Ugit Nummagama is common, because it is Atu, when followed by Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya, Su, upada dirgatvam happens. Only for 1 month, right? Therefore, Patitavan. One is present participle, other one is past participle. Shatra. So Shatranta is also done. We will see again Shatranta for other dhatus. The lessons will come. In other linga, we have to see. It is Sri Linga and Napumsaka Linga. Shatranta, we'll see. As well as for this also, we have to see. We'll see it. Okay, I think this much. I'll give homework. You try. Next class, we will read from the Ashtadhyayi Pravesh. Sorry, this Pravesha book. In Pravesha, it's going to come. So in advance, I told you how it comes. So it becomes easy now. So I'll give an example. You try. I want you to try for Kam Dhatu. Kam Dhatu, you derive the Tavatu Rupam. Tavatu Rupam. And similarly for Drishdhatu. Drishdhatu also you can do. You know what is the Tavatu Rupam for Drishdhatu? Interesting. You know it.
Drishtavan.
How it comes Drishtavan? Drish plus
Drish-
Tavatu.
Tavatu.
What Sandhi will happen? Connect with the Sandhi rule, what we saw. Shakara followed by what? Jal letter. Brascha, Brascha, Srija, Mrija, Yaja, Braja, Raja, Cha, Sha, Shaha.
Replace. Murthanya Shakara. Drish will come.
Replaced by Murdanya Shakara, we saw. Shakaranta is replaced by Murdanya Shakara. Then
Shakara.
Tavatu.
Then
Then Shtutta Sandhi.
Shuddha Sandhi.
Drishtavat.
Drishta.
Drishtavat is a Pradipadikam. It's a Atu ending. Therefore, Drishtavan.
दृष्टवान्
Pradirgattam and Nummagama. Drishtavanto. Drishtavantaha. Drishtavantam. Drishtavanto. Drishtavataha. The same thing, you know what will happen in Shatranta, Shatru. You tell me, you know it. When Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows Drishdhatu, what will happen?
Ganavikarana will come.
What is Ganavikarana? Shap.
शब्
Then
Replace by content of shap is a.
okay.
So drisha.
No. When Shit Pratyaya follows, Drish will be replaced by Pashya. Don't forget that. Pashyati only, not Drishyati. Pashyati, Pashyataha, Pashyanti, Latlakara. We did with Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Therefore, if Shap follows, Drish will be replaced by Pashya. Now, content of Shap is A. Therefore, Pashya. Pashya plus At becomes what you get? Pashyat. When you decline, you will have in Pullinga. When you decline, what you will have? Pratama Vibhakti Pashyan.
Pashyan.
Pashyan, Pashyantau, Pashyantaha. Pashyantam, Pashyantau, Pashyataha. That is what in Gita, Pashyan, Shrinvan, Spashan, Jigran. How you get Pashyan? From Drishdhatu. The thing is, here it is Shit Pratyaya. Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Shitvad. Ganavikrana. Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Not Shitva. Shitvad Sarvadhatukam. Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya Pare. Ganavikrana Bhavati. Ganavikrana can do Angakarya, but before doing Angakarya, Drish will be replaced by Pashya. That is immediate, you have to do it. Otherwise, it will become Darsh. That's a problem. That's why you have to do it immediately. Pashya. Pashya plus At Pashyat. Different. You see the difference. Drishtavan, Pashyan. Both are different. Pashyan is the one who sees. Drishtavan means he saw. The action done by the karta in the past. Here it is Pashyan, seeing person, seer, Rama is a seer. Pashyati ityartaha, pashyati iti. Okay. Anyway, so I said I'll give homework. So this one I thought I was giving homework by myself. So Gamdatu you take. Gamdatu Tavatu Rupam as well as Shatru Rupam also you can try. Shatru Rupam already I did. Anyway, you can do that also. I'll give one more this one. This is a good example. The Sandhi is involved. Think and do. Yach Dhatu. What will happen? You think. I will not say now. Gam Dhatu and H Dhatu. Tavatu Rupam, Shatru Rupam. Past participle and present participle. Please do. This is your homework. Can you try?
Yes,
Yes, we will try.
Okay. And one other
Yes,
thing
Guruji.
is, I don't know which class I told you.
Mm.
Vibantaha Dhatutam Jaganti, I told you, right?
Yeah, you told us.
Which class? Is this class or that class? I don't know. I told maybe the class Vibantaha Pinantaha. I told it is not Pinantaha. That is why Pin is only for limited dhatus, not for many. Pip is for all the dhatus. Therefore, Pibantaha, Vidantaha, Vijantaha, Vidantaha. Okay, just make the correction. Dhatuttam na jagati. Which class I told, I don't remember. Which whatever may be.
Tuesday
Same
class.
students. Therefore, you can note it. The different class, different I don't know. But the same students, therefore. Vivantaha, Vijantaha, Vidantaha. What is Vija and Vit? Don't worry about that. Vivantaha, not Pinantaha. Pin pratyas are added only to few dhatus. So there is no this paribhasha applicable. Only for Pivantaha, Vijantaha, Vidantaha, Dhatutvam, na Jagati. Jagati only. Jagati. Dhatutvam na Jagati. Jagati is it is Bhagavachan. Okay. Jagati, Jagitaha, Jagati, Jagitaha, Jagati. Dhatutvam na Jagati. Jagati is what Vachanam? Ekavachanam, Divachanam or Bhagavachanam. You don't know, but still you can try. Okay. What Vachanam is that?
Ekvach.
It is what Vachanam? It is
Ekvach.
Ekavachanam.
no, it is Bhagavachanam. That it is this dhatu is third gana. Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam is Jahati. Jahati, Jagitaha or Jagitaha, then Jagati. Jagati is Bhagavachanam. You can see Vidantaha Bhagavachanam. Vijantaha Bhagavachanam, like Ramaha Bhagavachanam. If the Bhagavachanam, then Kriyapadam has to be Bhagavachanam only. I have written Jagati. Therefore, it is Bhagavachanam. But there is no Jaganti. Don't take it is Nakara is a no Nakara. Because this is a different dhatu. This is in third gana, which we have not seen. Just note, Jagati is Bhagavachanam.
Bahuvachan.
So, Pibantaha, Vijantaha, Vidantaha, Dhatutam na Jagati. This is a correction. I said Pinanta, but that is by mistake I said. Okay. I remember that I understood the mistake after the class. Because Pin Pratyas are only for few dhatus, for some specific sutras. Okay. Let's stop here. Think on this. This file, if it is required, I will send. Otherwise, I will scrap this file.
Yes.
This is only for typing. It's a board, whiteboard for me.
Please send it.
Okay. The same thing will be formatted later. Okay. So next class we will do the lessons. We'll get to the Pravesha lessons. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. If all of you have understood, and after this, if you take Pravesha exam, you will get 100 out of 100. You can't do mistakes.
Yes.
You will score easily
Yes, Guruji.
because everything in place, something in the everything in place. So you cannot do mistakes. you got sufficient enough background, big background. So with that, you can easily attempt all the questions and answer it properly also. Similarly for the next level after derivation. Okay. Dhanyawada.
Yes.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.